sweetest day, sweetest day, it's sweetest to the celebrant. We wish you a happy birthday for today. It's sweetest day, sweetest day, it's sweetest day, it's your birthday. We wish you a happy birthday for today. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? The celebrant. We wish you a happy birthday for today. Baby, how old are you na today?
7.
Okay, palakpakan natin yung my birthday. To all our heart can say good luck, good health, God bless you, and guide all your way. No matter where you wander, as long as we're apart, good luck, good health, God bless you, and keep you still in our heart. Lahat po tayo kakanta kay Kirsten. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mga bata, kanta. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang bati. Okay, Mami. Sabihin mo kay Kersley, mag-wish kay God.
Sobrang lalaki ng kandila. Hindi lang yung ano, gano'n.
No, 53, di ba?
Lahat po tayo ay bibilang ng 1, 2, 3, tapos hihipan po ni baby yung mga kandila.
Delikado yung kandila kasi sa dami.
Okay, tapos na! Tayo po lahat! 1, 2, 3, go!
Sige!
Okay, palakpakan naman po.
I found love for me, darling, this time, and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I found love
Sabi
for
kasi yung gayang putong. Pala, hindi siya putong. Wow! Ako yan, nakabidyo na yan. Kasi
yan.
Hindi, aking cellphone ito eh. Hindi na akin yan.
Ayun na, sa taas.
Ayaw, may oras.
Oo, ayun na, ayun na. Gumagana na yan.
Sa amin may pagtago pa yun.
Oo.
Ito parang ano lang.
Oh, so dito kasi ako dito ka rito kung naka-attend ako may mga birthday ganito rin.
Itong akin, 2 oras na yun. Natago pa yun. At ang buhay sa bahay.
Dapat itagilid mo para ano, malawak ang lawak niya video.
Pati cellphone ko, hindi sa mister ko, di ba ko marami.
Yan. Ito ko, luma na nga ito pero